Tomorrow, I think Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies are going to have a really big pump, a potential another short squeeze. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly why. So make sure you all watch the entire video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you right now. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, it's Myles here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell because every single day I make videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrency and I teach you how to make money in crypto. If you want to get access to my profitable trade signals when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join the Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or in my video's description, where you can message me anytime. I can answer all your questions. You can also talk to me on the phone. We have a huge Discord and much more. Before we get started with the video, make sure you all smash up the like button. It helps us support the channel and it helps us support the Dogecoin community. And also let me know in the comments below, do you think tomorrow we could see a potential strong pump or bull run? So Ethereum just broke out right now out of this ascending triangle pattern, which is definitely very good to see. Look at this major spike up. We're also starting to see Bitcoin starting to move, Cardano, Matic, Polkadot. Things are looking very good. Look at Dogecoin, it's just starting to move right now. I think tomorrow there's going to be a potential huge short squeeze. We're going to get into it right this second. So Bitcoin open interest mimics Q4 of 2020 as new report cautiously optimistic on a Bitcoin rally. So what this is saying right here is that there is the same open interest in options and futures as there was last year, Q4 2020. That's when cryptocurrencies blasted off after a long time. Bitcoin went from 4,000 and shot up all the way to like 17,000 around this time, and we eventually started breaking up higher levels of resistance. So it's saying the same numbers that were happening when cryptos were pumping and going crazy, about to start that major bull run to 65K for Bitcoin, is happening right now. Remember, Ethereum was like $100 last year and it went to $4,400. Cryptos are potentially about to blast off. But particularly what it says is the Bitcoin futures open interest is mimicking the start of the Bitcoin price bull run as we saw last year. So based on the open interest of people investing and buying futures, they're very bullish on futures, they're very bullish on options. They think that the bull run is about to happen, and this could happen any second. There's a bunch of other experts who are saying the same thing. They said that tomorrow could be a possible another short squeeze like we saw the last couple days ago, when Bitcoin went from 32,000, this was Sunday or Monday, I believe, went from 32,000 to 40,000. They think that same thing, that was a short squeeze. And we also did talk about that a couple days before that, which is really cool to see that back actually play out. But that could possibly happen again, which means Dogecoin and the altcoins would go crazy. This next article also covers exactly almost what this thing was talking about, but in another way. It's just affirming, it just came out 3 hours ago, that the Bitcoin bulls are in control of Friday's $1.7 billion monthly options expiration. So what they're saying is that the bulls are in control of the entire crypto market. The bulls are winning right now. They're gonna continue to win this options expiration. So there's a lot of people, there's a lot of bears who are shorting cryptos right now, who are potentially about to get squeezed tomorrow. Now that they're gonna be losing their money because the bulls are winning right now. The bulls are going to be in profit. The bears are going to be losing money tomorrow. So maybe to cover their shorts, maybe to make back some profits, they're going to end up having to buy these long positions, which could potentially cause a huge, massive short squeeze tomorrow. So look at this article. It says crypto allies rally against the ignorant new tax rules and bipartisan infrastructure deal. I don't want to really get into what they were talking about, but they're basically saying that you only have to report crypto transactions if they're more than $10,000. That's not the point. But cryptos are rallying. As soon as this news came out that nothing crazy was going to happen as far as regulations for cryptocurrencies and people who are investing in crypto, there's a lot of people that have money on the sidelines. There's a lot of institutions which were kind of waiting for this news. Something needed to happen with the SEC and regulation as far as cryptos are concerned. So nothing major happened as far as that, anything that can impede cryptos in any way. So that's why we're starting to see cryptos rally. People are like, oh my gosh, we're good now. We can start to buy this dip, as we want to call it. So that's why cryptos are bouncing up. Bitcoin right now is starting to blast off. Major green candle for Bitcoin. Look at this. We were starting to head down. Then we got a major blast up in just the last couple of hours. But what is really interesting is Ethereum is outperforming the market right now. A lot of these altcoins are doing some crazy things. Bitcoin dominance is also lowering, which means it's potential that these altcoins can start to rally. Ethereum is going to start rallying and start pumping up major in the next few days because we have that huge EIP 1559 update for Ethereum. I think that we could actually see $3,000 maybe in the next day, maybe in the next couple of days, or maybe by next week for Ethereum. I certainly think that that is in the cards. And if we start hitting those numbers, Ethereum and these altcoins will pump and go crazy because people are going to FOMO and go crazy. They're going to start buying this dip. A lot of people have still been waiting on the sidelines. They're like, oh, I don't want to buy in the bear market, this and that. A lot of people are scared money. But us in the Patreon, we have been really profitable. We've been able to buy Ethereum at $1,700. We were able to buy Dogecoin at 15 cents. We've been buying Bitcoin at 28,000. A lot of very good things in the Patreon we should definitely check out. But let's go ahead and look into the charts. So we're definitely seeing some bullish activity for Ethereum, and Ethereum right now is coming up to test this strong level of resistance that we have about 24.37. So this is a level of resistance that we are looking for, but we did just break out of that ascending triangle pattern, which I showed you right here. This was the ascending triangle pattern. We ended up coming to the apex, like I said would happen once we get close to this apex. Cryptos cannot last long in that type of situation, so they either break out to the upside or they break out to the downside. But it's looking like we're getting a strong breakout to the upside, but this breakout definitely needs to be confirmed with some more time, and we're most likely going to come up and test this level of resistance. If we can break this, this could potentially be the signal for the short squeeze. Could potentially be the signal for the altcoins about to rally. Bitcoin is heading up to the same level of resistance for itself, so it's definitely very good to see this. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. We see this major pump up, and now we are hanging in the $40,000 level of resistance. It's very bullish because the bears have not been able to knock us much outside of this pattern here, knock us much outside of this $40,000 range, which we are in. So Bitcoin has a strong level of resistance around $41,000. If we can break this, ladies and gentlemen, we could see incredible things tomorrow, the next couple of hours, in the next couple of days. This weekend could be huge for cryptocurrencies if Bitcoin, if Ethereum can break these levels of resistance. But if we do get a short squeeze with cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin, we could see Bitcoin jumping all the way to 45, to 46, to 48, to even $50,000 in a very short period of time, which you know what that will do for altcoins. We know that what that will do for Ethereum. We know that what that will do for Dogecoin. If Bitcoin starts hitting those numbers, Dogecoin will probably very, very fast pump up 20, 30, 40%. We could probably see the 30-cent range, depending on how cryptos move in the next week or so. By next week, it's even possible this weekend. However, mostly unlikely, statistically unlikely. But if cryptos do pump, if there is a major short squeeze, we could start to see the high 20s for Dogecoin, potentially 30, like I said, by next week. So we are definitely in a very good area for cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin. Very bullish, and it's very good to see this finally, after much selling off, after much fear, after much crashing, after much things going down. It's now time for cryptos to start pumping and to get back to the moon. And if you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you deposit $100, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell and buy cryptocurrencies with or send to your bank account at any time. If you got something out of the video, go ahead and smash up the like button, share this video with some of your friends and family, Facebook, Twitter, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good one.